Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tools to help you grow your wealth effortlessly. Today, we're diving into how to set up automatic investments on JP Morgan self-directed investing. If you're tired of manually transferring funds and want your money to work smarter for you, this guide is perfect for you. Automatic investments can help you build a habit of consistent saving and investing, potentially leading to better long-term returns. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a JP Morgan self-directed investing account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the JP Morgan website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Investments tab. This is your hub for all trading and portfolio management activities. Next, look for the Automatic Investments or Recurring Transfers option, usually found under Account Settings or Transfers. Here, you'll set up the basics. Choose your funding source, like a linked bank account, and decide how much you want to invest automatically. For example, you might opt for $100 every 2 weeks, whatever fits your budget. Now, select your investment type. JP Morgan offers a variety of options, including stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. If you're new to this, consider starting with a diversified ETF to minimize risk. Double-check the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, and set the start date. Remember, timing is key. Aligning with your payday can make it seamless. Before you confirm, review everything to avoid any mistakes. JP Morgan might prompt you to verify your identity or funding details for security reasons. Once you're good, hit that Submit button, and you're all set. Your investments will now run on autopilot. One quick tip. Keep an eye on market conditions and adjust your settings periodically to match your financial goals. Automatic investing is a game changer for building wealth without the stress. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's make investing easy and effective.